live on YouTube as well. Oh my god. I believe that we are live, and before I get to coding, about to do some nerd shit. Put on some nerd glasses. Bad. Alright. Now I know nobody's out there, but I talk to myself while coding, so this will be easy, actually. But basically, let me show you what we got. Okay, here we go. So obviously you're not going to see this image. This is one of those games that covers it, and it slowly unblocks, and your chat has to guess what the image is. And the first person to get it gets like a 10x point value. Second one gets times 5, times 3, all that. So the guesses are gonna stack, and yeah, you can re-guess. But if you re-guess, you go to the bottom. So one of them games, and actually, I have to make an action. Show meme. Alright. MIDI message. Enable. Ignore note off. Set source visibility state, okay. Then we're gonna come into working scene. And what the hell is even that?
What the hell is even that?
Alright. Also added delay. We'll just do like 4 seconds. And then gonna turn it off.
What the hell is even that?
Beautiful. Actually, what if... Let's try this. What if it just turns it off really quick right before?
What the hell is even that?
Eh.
What the hell is even that?
Alright. So yeah, that's the name of the game. This game is called
What the hell is even that?
End the Blocks. So whatever size the image is, you'll see the boom. It adjusts to the image. So whatever size you put your image, it's going to cover it. And last one. Where we at? Right here. Perfect square image. Boom. Perfect square cup. Okay, so what am I doing today, actually? Oh, so here I can see all the viewers that I don't have. That's what this is for. All right, so that's the game.
What the hell is even that?
Yeah. So next, I have to. What do I have to do? All right, so there's going to be a registration, like a play period. So set play period. In the play period, if someone guesses, someone uses the command, makes a guess. So, if guess made in play period, add to, what are we going to do? An array? A guesses array? Probably. Add to guesses array, and also add to this John right here, the sidebar. Okay, we're gonna set a play period. If a guess is made in the play period, add. Oh, I also have. Hold on 1 second. One viewer. That must be me. Viewer. That must be me. I don't think there's anyone there, but how do I don't think there's anyone there, but how do I get my chat? The link. How do I get my chat? The link. Oh my god. Pop out, chat. There you are. Pop out, chat. There you are. Hey, hey. It's the same guy. Hey. He just walked by. He just walked by. Alright, what is going on here? I apologize to the 0 viewers in the chat. Alright, here we are. Does this work? Yes. Oh. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it down here, but I have a message system going. So the right now the command is image. So if you do image space and then your guess, so it'll be like image, Jalen Hurts, baby, boom. Okay, so it reads Jalen Hurts. Set up play period. Let's do that. Let play period equal false. Start auto reveal. We're going to set play period true. And then in here, this is where all tiles have been revealed. So we are going to set play period back to false. Let's console log it. Okay. How do I? No YouTube. Oh wait, I'm in Gerg, Adam. What is going on? I'm so confused. Username Jimmy Jim. Jimmy Jim. Broadcaster. Oh. Current animation is a viewer. I don't know what's going on. Streaming is okay. I'm just gonna code. Haha. That's too silly. All right. Okay. So we're just gonna see. Play period. True. And it's gonna print all this.
What the hell is even that?
We should probably speed up the revealing. There you are, Jalen. Okay, and then false. Perfect. Okay. So, in the message, the listener, if it's a message, if it includes the John and play period is true. I'm gonna go speed this up. Start auto reveal. We're doing 500 milliseconds. Okay, so it allowed me to do it then, and if I do it now, it shouldn't. Awesome. Okay. Alright, so we're all good there. Set play period. If guess made in play period, add to sidebar. But Jimmy June 50. Okay, what the hell is going on? YouTube, there's no chat. What's up with that? YouTube connected. Broadcasts. Auto monitor. No YouTube broadcasts. That don't make no sense. So I am. What the? Hey, YouTube.
What the hell is even that?
That's what I'm saying. Alright, I'm just gonna get back to it. Add to sidebar. So this is my John right here. Add guest. Cool. Okay. Okay. Alright, so first I'm just gonna make the element, the DOM element. Let div equal document dot create element div dot class. I do class list. Class list equals user guess. Div dot text content equals user. We're not gonna do anything with the guess right now. What if I add it as a data job? Dataset.index div.dataset.guess equals guess. And then Side.append div. Okay, let's see. Image. I wonder if it's Jalen Hurts. Oh. Oh, I commented it out. Gotta do that. Image. Nick Cage. Boom. So I'm logged in as Gerg Animation or something. I'm so confused. Alright, half a second is a little too fast. Let's go 1 second. Alright, so if I do this, image, cookies, that's Gerg Animation. If I do this, image, okay, alright. And all of you viewers, all 0 of you viewers, please feel free to play along. Okay. Alright, so that's all good, but if it hits like 12, it's gonna have to go over to the other sidebar. I think okay, so I'm gonna make an array of all the guesses. And then based on the length of the array, I'll put it in either sidebar. So I can do that later. I'm gonna stop printing the cells. Yes, okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna make an array, and then that'll open up some things. So let's do let guesses is an empty array. Okay, so if it's added to the DOM, what if we also make one called add guess to array? Same arguments. Frames dropped 0. Amazing. Add guess to array. All right, that's so guesses dot push. Gonna add it as an array. So user guess. And then let's log guesses. Guess user guess. Okay. Image Peter Pan. Array 2. And then image Goober. Okay, okay. Can you see that? No, maybe a little bit. So yes, we have an array. Gerg animation, Peter Pan, Jimmy Joom, Goober. All right, so it's working. Okay, but we also have the case. So like, Gerg animation guessed first. If they guess again, have to remove their guess and put it at the bottom. Now how am I gonna do that? Alright, I'm actually gonna log the side because I don't really understand this data set stuff. Data guess, so it kind of stores data in the element. Okay. So what if I just did user guess data guess peanut butter data user Gerg animation. Alright, I guess that works. Viewers? Nope, got no viewers. Okay. So there's only going to be one. It's only allowed. Each person is only allowed one guess. So if you guess again, you go to the back of the line. How am I going to do that? So in add guess to Dom, I feel like I should make a check. Does dataset user exist? Alright, let's ask Claude. Before I append, to side, I want to check if there's an element inside with dataset user equal to user already. How do I do that? You can use query selector to check if an element. Oh, interesting. The key part is the query selector data user, which searches for any element inside side that has a data user attribute matching. Side.query selector. Okay, so not document side.query selector. Okay. If existing guest update if guess already, then do this, else do this, and this is this, like this, this. Right? Okay, so, but if there's a guess already, can I get some help, viewers? Viewers? I will say coding, streaming to 0 viewers while coding is kind of the same as if I code alone. I talk to myself. This is how it goes when I code. Okay. So if there's already a guess, we want to remove from remove existing from side and then re-add. Okay, so I have it in guess already. Side.remove child. Side.remove child. All right, I don't understand the YouTube thing. Hold on one second. Moderation helps everyone feel safe. Moderation helps everyone feel safe. So, that's not connected. So, that's not connected. Alright, I'm gonna do some searching. While I'm searching, I'll turn into an apple. Maybe that would be exciting for the 0 viewers. Streamer bot YouTube chat not working. Connected to YouTube account, but chat isn't flowing through in either direction. If I try to send a message from the streamer bot chat, it works. Yes, I got the same problem. YouTube needs a live stream for the bot to latch onto the bot. Automatically connect to your YouTube bot account. Oh. No, that's... Oh my god, it's the shark. Alright, sorry, I'm checking. Like... I'm so confused. Forget it. Alright. I'll have to... I don't know what that is. I'm going back to my nerd glasses. Okay, there we go. For all the people that aren't watching on YouTube, sorry. I don't know. I don't know if you're chatting or not. How can I tell if my 0 viewers are chatting or not? I mean, it's a conundrum. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, so we're gonna remove it, and then we're gonna re-add it. Just gonna do the same. Just do the same thing again. Probably it. Actually, you know what? Let's try this. So, no matter what, it's gonna add, right? Either it's adding it for the first time, or there already is a guess. So it's gonna be adding something. Let's, I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Okay. Image. Heaven. Okay. Let's do, image. Borgie. That's my dog. And then let's do image something. Okay. That was very quick. But it works. And we also have to remove the original guess from the array and send it to the back. Or just push it. Yes, I'm gonna. Gonna repeat code. Okay. Add guess to array. I have an array of arrays. I want to check the first element of all the arrays. Is it best to use a loop? Yes, a loop is a good approach. Here are a few common ways to do it. Alright. Okay, again, so it's always gonna add a guess. Okay, for loop. So we're gonna go through. If user. All right, so we're going through all the guesses, and we want to find if the user already has a guess in the array. So if user equals guesses I 0. That's this one. So he's gonna check that. He's gonna check that. He's gonna check that. Okay, so if it's got that, then I don't know. Then we're gonna remove it. Pop. Splice. Oh, pop. That pop is the last element. Splice Then we're gonna do guesses. Splice I 1. And then, oh no, break. And then again, just I don't know if the break is correct. Slightly cleaner? What the? Guesses the filter G0 does not eat. Okay. Okay, great animation. Let's get in here. Image, feet. Oh no, I want to change. Okay. Oh no, that's not. Image, Johnny. Blah, blah. Wait, what? Jalen Hurts, feet. This value was evaluated by man. Wait a second. Oh, someone's in here. What's up, Puffer? Puffier? It's too fast. Going back to 2 seconds. Here you go, Puffier. I'll turn into an apple just for you. Wait. Wait a second. Yeah, YouTube. I don't know what's going on with YouTube chat. This is a game show where you gotta guess the image. Chatter's gotta guess the image. But okay, so that we have that, and then I'm gonna do it. Let's see. Yes. Okay, it's working. All right. Making a game show, like one of those old game shows where they show an image, they cover it up, it slowly dissolves away. People guess what it is, If you guess first, you get like 10x points. If you're second, you get like 5x, 2x, and then after a while you just get the regular point amount. Okay. Puffier, do you know who this is? No idea. It's the Philadelphia Eagles quarterback. That's Jalen Hurts. Okay. Okay, so I have it on the sides. It's showing up here. Have the array. What next? If a guess is made, okay. Add to guesses array. Did that. Add to sidebar. Okay, now I need to make acceptable answers. So like Nicolas Cage. Maybe you'd accept Nick Cage. You'll accept Nicolas Cage. You'll accept the GOAT. You'll accept the greatest actor of all time. Stuff like that. So here we go. Let's get that. So I'm gonna make fields of text. Separate separate answers by comma. Load from fields. Okay. Case sensitive. Yes, case won't matter. It's gonna everything down to lowercase and then check it, so we don't have to worry about it. But Puffier, by the way, this game is called.
What the hell is even that?
Beautiful. Let's say image. Oh, no, I don't need image. Image 1 answers. The type is going to be text input. Label will be accepted answers, comma, separate. Okay, so yeah, something like this. Nick Cage. Nicolas Cage. The GOAT. Yeah, we'll start with that. Okay, image 1 image. So let image 1 answers. And then image 1 answers. Field data. Image 1 answers. I heard fireworks. I don't have my alert set up. Something happened. Thank you to whoever triggered that. Then I gotta make an array. Image 1 answers. This is gonna be an array. Ugh, I gotta do that for every image. I'm lazy. I have a string with commas. I wanna separate by commas into an array. How I do that? If your string might have spaces after commas. Yes, can trim it. Okay, let's do that. Item trim. Okay. So, image 1 answers. Equals Let's log the John image 1 answers. Boom. Nick Cage, Nicolas Cage, the GOAT.
What the hell is even that?
Perfect. Oh. Now. Puffier, what do I do next? I'm blanking. Custom fields, okay. So at the end, I check all the guesses. No, we're not at that point yet. Okay, that's how it should work. So you don't see the image, and then it goes away. Okay. And then I guess image hello. And then I guess here, under a different name. Yeah. Oh. Yes. So yeah, you just registered at the beginning of the message. That's your whole thing. Yes, but I don't want it to register. I don't want people to be chatting just normally, and then it thinks that's their answer. So yeah, I think. But you just guessed. Let's see your. There you go. That was your whole guess. You guessed with the image. Oh, so it took your whole. That's interesting. I thought it would have just taken this, but it took the whole thing. All right, what if I do so? If message dot split okay, message dot split. If message dot split 0, so if the first thing does not equal return. If message dot split doesn't equal, yeah, okay. Let's see if that works. Cannot access. No. So that's supposed to be if the command is not first. Okay, good. But yeah, I can make a setting that will have to use the command or command off. That can be done pretty easily. Okay. Now what? Okay, yeah, let's give it an ending. So let's make fields of text. Let's do that. Let's go. Do the same for these. Image 2 answers. Image 3 answers. Okay. Okay. Oh no, 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 no. That's 3. That's 3. How does the streamer start the game show? So I always thought it was best if the streamer types in a command, but people don't seem to like that. They seem to like when like a donation or the chatter starts the game show. What do you think? I've done it both ways, and every time I do it one way, the people are like, "Oh no, I want it the other way." So I guess I could do both. The command. Okay. All right, hold on, Puffier. I'm gonna upload an image, and you are going to. You're gonna be the first player of. Wait.
What?
What? You're gonna be the first player of.
What the hell is even that?
This is probably not a good picture for this, but it's all I got on my computer right now. If I really want it to be a redeem, I can set up a chat bot. Yes, exactly. Yeah, so if it's a command, you could set it up in a roundabout way to also make redeems and stuff. Actually, no, that's not. Hold on. I gotta get a better image. It's Apple time. Oh. I don't have any images. I'm on. I usually make the widgets on a different. Account. Good luck, Puffier. I don't even know what this is. I'm writing acceptable answers. One second. Okay. Wait. Something's not right. Bear with me, hold on. Image 2. Yeah, well... Give it the old refresh. No. Cannot read properties of... Oh. I swear, it's coming. It's gonna be glorious. Cannot read properties. Oh. Okay. Alright, okay. Welcome to the first ever... No!
What the hell is even that?
Oh no. I think I reloaded and I didn't... 1 second. I didn't save it. Alright. Save. It's not Nicolas Cage. Alright. I can, Alright, here we go. The inaugural, the first ever playing of...
What the hell is even that?
That's a terrible first block to be unveiled. That's not a bad guess, actually. It's unwinnable because I don't even know what this is. You can re-guess too. Do another guess. Exact.
What the hell is even that?
The game's coming together perfectly. This was supposed to be an old man, a Snapchat filter. And yeah, that's it was my first go at a Snapchat filter. Alright, so I gotta do an end game at least, so it can tell you if you're right or wrong. Alright, let's do that. I'm gonna work on that part. Okay, so we have the fields. Oh, by the way, the acceptable answers I gave were monkey, filter, old man. What's that? Cookie should have done it. I feel like Cookie would have. It's a fair guess. Jalen Hurts. Eagles quarterback. Hurts. Wait. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna do an end game. Now that we have acceptable answers, at the end, All tiles revealed. Play period is over. We're gonna do something here. Reveal answer. Kirby. Kirby, that'd be a good one. Okay, reveal answer and then reveal winners? There's just some sort of end game. Let's get the end game going. Start end game. Okay. Let's make that a function. Start end game. And then, alright, I'll make it all spectacle, all nice game showy later, but right now, just the functionality. Alright, so we're gonna turn title. Title document.get no query selector. Title. Inner. No, text content. I don't. Equals. Oh, by the way, Puffier, what section am I in on Twitch? I don't even know how to do any of that stuff. Am I in coding? The software development? Text content. Okay, I'm gonna have to change this at some point. Okay, so I was just gonna do that. Countdown. Countdown. There's no category or title. Interesting. Even though, yeah, I should make a tutorial. How to go live with no title in no category.
What the hell is even that?
Oh, I was too slow. I don't know what the hell is even that. All right, we're flying dark here, I guess. I don't know. I got it. I got StreamerBot. I got OBS. I got Atom multi-stream. This we're gonna have to figure that out later. All right, but so for the end game, right now, I'm just gonna. Oh, I gotta turn up the speed. We'll be here all day. Boom. By the way, when you played that, this is the worst block to. That was the first one revealed. That's the worst you can do. All right, monkey filter old man. Okay, so it's doing something at for the end game, but it's also changing. It's changing the format. All right, we're gonna do. Stream manager on Twitch. Perfect mouth reveal. Okay, actually, I am gonna. Let me go back to my desk. For some reason, when I'm messing up, I gotta turn into that. All right, let's go to Twitch. Twitch.tv. How am I supposed to compete with this stuff? Look at this. How am I supposed to compete with that? Sleeping VTubers. Alright, sorry. Edit stream info. Coding? What the hell is even that? Jurassic World Evolution 3. Category. A pool stream. Yeah, I gotta get a pool. Maybe I can make an overlay where I'm coding in a hot tub. That'd be kind of fun, actually. Category, coding. It's called software. There we go. And there's some tags. Coding. Tags. I should make tags. No title. No category. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Alright. I'm on the grid. I'm no longer off the grid. The Twitch grid. Okay. Okay. Now, I want to see... Oh, I really gotta go back to my nerd glasses. Okay. I'm trying to see if adding text doesn't mess with the formatting. Okay, but now I gotta make it visible.
What the hell is even that?
So on and aim. Countdown. Dot style. Dot opacity. Equals 1. Let's do a little transition. Opacity. Doesn't matter. This photo is terrifying. Okay. Actually setting up a chat bot that puts users' messages on all other chats. Then if you log in your Twitch and OBS, you can see the chat. Yes, I gotta, streaming's confusing. I gotta set it all up. But yes, eventually, what you said, I couldn't even do a title. Alright, yeah, baby steps. I'm an old man. This photo. I think you could use this on Snapchat, by the way. I think it's up. Old man face. Snapchat filter. I think it's gonna be a new trend. Kids love it. Okay, so there's that. Let's do a little countdown. Okay. I'm gonna add nightmare fuel. I was not gonna add it. Okay. So end game. Focus. Need to focus. Actually, I need to. Alright, it's like, so is it gonna be a random image? Is it gonna be a specific image? I feel like with a command, you could do like start 1, it'll use the first image. Start 2. If you just do start, it could be a random one. So let's set that now. Chosen image equals and then we're also chosen image index. And then we're also going to have to make images index. No, not that way. And that will be actually, well, no, let's try this. Okay, so chosen image index. Let's say it's 3. So down here, we can just do plus chosen image index. Is that gonna have to be a alright, we'll see if that works. And then down here, actually, so this is gonna image chosen image index. It was fun. Gotta go to sleep. Gotta go to sleep. 4 a. Hey man, thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Chosen image index. Is that gonna work? That might work. Okay, well, let's copy that. But it doesn't equal anything. Huh? I think I can just do image plus chosen image index. Oh, what was that? No, this is not working. Alright, I'm gonna have to make a grandmaster array. And it's gonna have to be image1 answers, image1 answers, image2 answers, image3 answers. Okay. Images array. So then this will be chosen image index 0. And then this will be images array. Oh no. Okay, that has to be done after all this. Otherwise that would all be empty. Images array equals starting to lose my mind. Been coding too long. I start to go insane. All right, images array. Chosen image index. Yes. Plus. No, not plus. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Is that right? One. Two. What was that? Can I read properties of undefined chosen image index? Huh? What am I doing? Images array. Oh, because it's image 3. There is no 3. It's gonna work. Jalen Hurts, Eagles quarterback. Hurts. Beautiful. You know what? I think it's bathroom time.
I'll be right back.
Reconnection. Okay. I gotta figure out. Hello. Okay. Disconnect. What? Okay, reconnected. Okay. My life. Okay, I'm live. Um. Exit straight. No, 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 no. Don't exit straight. I'm very confused. No YouTube. Zero monitored broadcasts. What does that mean? What does that mean? What is a monitored? No YouTube broadcasts are currently monitored. You need to manually tell it which live broadcast to watch or enable auto monitoring. As it doesn't automatically track all your streams, you must connect your YouTube account, ensure live streaming is enabled on YouTube, and then select a broadcast in StreamerBot's YouTube settings. Connect StreamerBot, I did that. Select a navigate to platforms YouTube broadcast. There are none. If you are live on YouTube but don't see any broadcast stream, the issue is likely a connection or permissions problem within the StreamerBot setup. Check the connection status indicated. Yeah. In the broadcaster account section, right click and select disconnect. This stream can be accessed again. Exiting will not end a stream. Alright, I don't know what's going on. Oh. Oh. Hello. Oh, it works. Okay. Now it's working. I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know what is going on. Alright. We just coded a little bit. Look at this mug right here. Oh, no, you there. Look how beautiful this mug is. This guy might walk by. He works here. Gotta mug my coworker. You guys hear that? Is that a helicopter on the roof? I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah, what's up, Santa? Santa had a successful Christmas. Now he's walking around like a badass. Alright, I'm gonna go check up on the roof. Huh?
Oh, hello there.
Hi?
Oh yes, I bet you're wondering who I am, what I am doing here.
Oh, I remember you from yesterday, or last stream. You talked about how much you love dinosaurs, and it was a little weird, and yeah, I remember you.
But you do not know all, Gregory. There is something I really need to tell you.
Okay, what is it? Oh, sorry. Sorry, John, let me, get my glasses off.
Gregory, I am your father.
No, you're not.
It is true. I am your father.
No, you're not. Actually, I know my dad. I look just like him.
Oh, you're just like your mother, my boy.
John, you're not my dad. I'll go back to the park. You don't have to make up this whole thing that you're my dad to get me to go. Like,
Well, then get into my helicopter. Alright. Get into my helicopter.
Taking off Jurassic Park. Every movie has the same plot. There's dinosaurs on the island. Oh my god, how could we have known? Scarlett Johansson is 45 years old.
good coffee, John. Very good.
Oh yes, glad you like it, very glad you like it.
We going to the same place? Same place as the last time?
Oh yes, and you know what that means. Lots of time. Time to play Jurassic Park for Sega Genesis.
The game sucks. Sucks, John. But, fine. Bring it up. Bring that shit up. Oh, no. Let's bring it up first. There we go. on 1 second. John, it's not working. Oh, John, it's not working. This thing sucks.
Oh, it's working, my boy. Just give it another go. You kids these days. Try something once, not even once. It's broken. Wow.
There's the dinosaur that says Sega. Oh, wait. Aren't you forgetting something, John?
Oh, yes. Forgot the hat. Here you go, my boy.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna beat this game. Yeah, alright, come on. We know the plot. Fucking power goes out. Power goes out, dinosaurs get out. We get it.